Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Mode BI tutorial for beginners. So first, what is this? Mode is a modern business intelligence or BI platform combining SQL, Python, and R notebooks. With interactive dashboards, it's ideal for data analysis, data teams, and business users who want to explore and share insight. Now, on getting started, simply make an account and log in. After you log in, you'll be directed here on the dashboard. Now, on writing SQL queries, go here on Personal and then simply click on this plus button and click on Write SQL. Now wait for it to load up. And here is your first query. Now here, for example, you can input, select, custom ID. Customer ID. Let's make it on the bottom. Then you can input count, close parenthesis, order, ID, then as total orders. Then input from orders, then orders, then input group by customer ID. Then limit to 10. Then semicolon. Now, after you input your query, simply click on Run to run your query. You can also write multiple queries in one report by clicking on this plus button. Now, let's go back. If you want to add a notebook, you can input it here and input the datasets or other things here. Now, let's go back to our personal space. Now here, you can also create a dataset by clicking on the plus button again and click on this use dataset. You can click this if you want and use it as dataset. Here's an example of dataset for you. Now here is an example. Here is the tables. You can input here the datas that you want to input. Also have here the notebook. You can add notebook, and also you can create a new chart. For example, I will make a line bar plus, and then here you can input the name. For example, how. Now you can add fields here. For example, account ID, account manager. For filters, cancel that, equals next, then input the data here and apply and close. You can duplicate the chart or clear the chart if you want. And that's the overview of the mode here on the dataset. Let's go back to our dashboard. Here you can see your work, which is named My Work. You can see all of your works here, my explorations, starred, and discovered. You can discover here many other things. You can watch a YouTube video or tutorial video And that's basically it.